message para sa imong self.
Message.
Yeah. Especially nga graduating na ka, what would be your message to yourself?
Hi, Sham. My message to you is, I'm really proud of you. Kailan ko na nung ko.
Ako po.
Ma'am.
Oo.
I'm really proud of you for surviving and for being here and for being brave and for being so strong for yourself.
Ano, uy, kahila ko ninoon ko.
I just really want to thank her. Kay, it's hard being away with your family. Yeah. And she has to survive all of those. So, ako maingon is, thank you for being brave, for being yourself, and for surrounding yourself with positivity. So, karon kapit naman ka mag-graduate. Gamay na lang. You can do this. And hopefully, for the next few years of your life,
Oo. Naghilak na ko.
kaya ma-achieve ni mo ang mga gusto ni mo. And I'm really hoping and praying for your success. So, thank you, Shami. And I'm really proud of you.
Ay.
Manang to, ma'am. Nanghilak na kang duha.
Yes, grabe, nitulog yun.
Yes.
Mauni siya, basta awat-awaton. Muawat po, basta na yung hilak. Anyway, thank you kaayo, Shami.
Thank you, ma'am.
Na-feel gid kay nako ang imong very heartfelt message to yourself. No? I like it. And I hope nga mahuman na gyud ka dinhi sa
Yes,
CMU. And hope to see you successful
Thank
sa Surigao
you, ma'am.
City. We will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
there. Maglaag-laag na po mi dito kay we have a lot of friends there in your place. And also, I hope nga makita ta ka one of the successful lawyers in the Philippines soon.
Soon po. Thank you, kayo,
Yes.
ma'am.
Thank you, Shami, and God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ay, nakahilak na ta dinihing dapita. Anyway, higala kauban gihapon nato si Shami, Charmaine Panyamugan, o sa ka 4th year BA Political Science student.